Future with Geodomas. Our sustainable and energy-efficient geodesic domes offer a unique and profitable investment opportunity in the field of green technology. Join us in creating a better, more sustainable world with innovative architectural solutions. Geodesic domes are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional. Investing in this industry is a smart decision, as it reflects the future direction of architecture and technology. We aim to be part of this progress, taking responsibility for serving humanity by adhering to the principles of energy efficiency. We create structures that serve both humanity and individual needs. Using modern materials and technologies, we can create homes that are functional, eco-friendly, energy efficient, and durable. Our projects embody the spirit of futurism and innovation. We offer a wide range of prototypes and standard models available in our store. The spherical shape allows for the realization of even the boldest and most relevant design ideas. The scope of imagination is limitless, and the rounded shapes and spaces within foster creative potential, reminding us of something global and cosmic. Our representatives are ready to answer all your questions about our products, projects, consultations, and more. Visit www.geodomas.eu website and contact us through the contact section.